Subject additive manufacturing, practical number 7. Today we are going to discuss about the variations in layer thicknesses and their impact in 3D printing time of layers. Let us start with the product. Here we have considered a plate having thickness of about 1 mm, length and width of about 100 mm. Let us have that plate in our Ultimaker environment. So I have placed the product over here. Now let us go on slicing the product. Right now the thickness layer height under the head of quality, drop down menu of quality, is 0.2 mm. We are just concentrating on layer thickness, so we are not changing that parameter. I am going on slicing it. तो स्लाइस करने के बाद वी आर गेटिंग 4 लेयर्स. तो जो बेस लेयर है 2 mm का, वो उसके सपोर्ट के साथ क्रिएट होने वाला है और बाकी के 4 लेयर में बाकी का मटेरियल डेवलप होगा. तो 0.1, इफ़ यू से 1 mm डिवाइडेड बाय 0.2, then that should be 5 layers, but first 0.2 mm layer is with the support, with the base, इसलिए वो 4 layers कन्फिगर कर रहे हैं. Now let us change this layer height to 0.1. You should also see the time duration of printing for 0.2. Previously it was 0.2. Let us go for 0.1. What do you think, how many layers are there? So after slicing we'll be able to see that the layers are going to be 8 and time duration is 3 hours 2 minutes. If you'll go for layer height of 0.2, then the time duration is going to change. We'll be able to see that the time duration is decreasing. So in your product, if you are adjusting the layer height, you can even control the time duration of printing. So there are 4 layers and the time duration of printing is 1 hour 27 minutes. You can even attempt it for 0.15 mm of layer height, 0.15. So if I'll slice it, I'll find the duration of printing. At the meantime, I'll be able to identify that how much material is going to be utilized. So the time duration is 1 hour 51 minutes. I hope you have understood it well. Like, share and subscribe the channel to get more information regarding additive manufacturing software practicals. Thank you very much.